killer deals, Milwaukee BOGO deals, or hacks, however you want to call them. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing and hitting the like and the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this and make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Guys, I'm gonna start with the best one. This is the best one they got as of now. And there's more coming, by the way. There's more coming. There should be, so be ready. Make sure you guys stay subscribed and hit the bell icon and stay on it, because these deals will drop midnights or whenever they drop. I will post them. A lot of you don't get them, but they do overlap sometimes, and you get some crazy discount prices. All right, so we got this one. I'll leave you guys a link to all these down below in the description section of this video. Guys, this one's really good. This is our two brushless impact driver and drill driver. You get one of these drill bits sets here. You get two batteries. You get a charger and a contractor grade bag. $199. You guys click here to the free tool or free battery you guys could get added to the cart. This kit here by itself, it's gonna drop down to $137, guys. It's pricing we haven't seen before. Well, we have seen before, but you know, actually, I believe we haven't seen this before. Usually these are 99 bucks a piece during the Black Friday deals. So for $137 for both of them, that's it. Even with this, it's just a killer deal. So guys, make sure you guys get this. This was the better deal of all of them. So if this is what interests you, I will definitely pick it up before they sell out. There's still some left. Also, big shout out to Deal Team 6, Warmonger, Llama, Eugene, Joe the Tool Guy. He's been on top of these deals, posting on these deals too. He already did post a video similar to this. Guys, big shout out to all of them. Deal Team 6. Alright, so the next one down, this one's it. I don't know exactly the pricing, but you guys can do that yourself, but it does include a free item. The price for this one's $239. Alright, like I said, I'll leave the link down below in the description to all these. I believe this is the drywall speed saw, however you will call it. This is the impact driver. It looks like you get two 5s, a charger, and a case, a hard case. Alright, on this one you do have, well, actually on this one you don't get anything, but you can select, it's $329, and you can just select your free gift. You can select from any of these. So you can select the screw gun, the hammer drill, or the, actually I'm tempted to put this in there because I'm thinking of getting this hammer drill. Maybe I can get it. Let's see, allow. Yeah. So this hammer drill is gonna drop down to $111. That is not the lowest we've seen. We've seen this up to like 90 or something like that. But 100 bucks for this one, that's a pretty good deal. I would say that's a really good deal. Alright, up to the next one, down to the next one. Now this one's a pretty good deal. This one's the fuel. These are both the fuel tools. Impact driver and drill driver. I believe this is just a drill. Oh, this is actually a hammer drill. You get a big battery and a smaller battery, and then you get a charger and a bag. Plus, you get select yourself a free tool. So you can select from 4 items here. You can select the ratchet. Obviously, that's going to be your bigger discount. Any of these two, if you guys need any of these. So I'm just going to select this item. I bought to cart. Let's see what price is going to give me. So it's going to give me $119 for the ratchet and $183 for the set. I believe this is not right. I think I already have another set added, so it's not going to give me the... Yeah, I believe it's not going to give me the... because I already have another set in there. So we'll look at the cart right now at the last one. Alright, so this one has the impact driver, the hammer drill, 2 batteries, a charger, and a contractor case. And I believe you get a free tool. It says a free tool, but it doesn't give you the option. So it's just gonna stick this one in there. So I would definitely go with the other one that we saw before, and you can select it manually, and that way you can hack it if you want to hack it. This one like this, you cannot hack because it's already put together. It's already giving you one price. Alright, so let's go to the card, see what it looks like. I'm going to start deleting some here so we can, yeah, see this is that's what was wrong. So we'll change that to 1. We'll change this to 1. So it's going to give me the price. It's not letting me change it to 1. Alright, guys, $138 for the impact driver and the hammer drill. That's a crazy deal. You're going to get a big battery, a small battery, charge the bag. And then if you want to keep this ratchet for $90, killer deal on this one too. Guys, there's just so many deals on this. Alright, this one's the hammer drill. You're going to get it for $111. Then you're going to get this kit with two batteries for $217. Yeah, I wouldn't get that. You can return that one. The battery you're going to get for $61. I would definitely not get that for $61. But this is a really good deal. Killer deal on this one. Go get them, guys, before they sell out. Don't forget to help with this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.